to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. If you would consider subscribing to the channel, I'd definitely love to have you a part of the channel. For the current subscribers, welcome back. Today it's just another unboxing video from my Cyber Monday shopping. So I'm gonna open up the box because I haven't opened it up yet. It's kind of big, so I don't want to put it on my table because it's gonna block the view and you won't be able to see my face. So give me a second. Hopefully everyone is having a good Tuesday. Also, hopefully you all were able to catch my last live when I went live when I was cooking Sunday dinner. I am going to start doing that routinely. I'm hoping that it kind of helps grow the channel somewhat and people will start coming on and chit-chatting and all of that good stuff. That would be amazing. Awesome. So let's see. So I know this is, I have several, well, I have an 8-quart electric pressure cooker. However, I absolutely love the manual pressure cookers. I don't know why, but I like them better. I did learn how to cook on a pressure cooker from an electric pressure cooker. Give me 1 second. And then I will take this out as well. It's itching me. But yeah, I learned how to use a pressure cooker off of a electric pressure cooker. However, I absolutely love the manual pressure cookers. The first one I bought is a 6-quart. I've had it probably about, I want to say about 6 months or so. And I love it. And so I wanted, one a little bit bigger. Ooh. I don't know what that was, but 1 second. I'm glad I caught that and it didn't hit the floor. Thank you, Jesus. Because knowing me, it would have hit my foot. Okay. And it sounds like something is still in the box. But anyway, so this actually is made by Tefal. If you didn't see the box. It comes with a recipe book. I will check out the recipes and see if there's anything in there that catches my attention that I wouldn't mind testing out. And then Okay. This is like, goodness gracious alive. Okay. So it has some stuff in the inside. I think this is like a steamer. Like a steamer rack or tray or whatever that goes inside of it. My other pressure cooker has the same thing. So, you know, you could steam now this I'll have to figure out like what this part is for. Maybe if you wanted to lift it up or something. I'm assuming. I have to figure that out. But this just sits inside of it. And then it has you know, this insert where you can lift this up. Oh, I guess it can go in here. I don't know. I have to figure out how this goes because I'm not quite sure how this part actually goes. But anyway, one second. I'm trying to put this back down. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this back in the plastic bag that it came in. And I'll definitely have to figure out what that plus that and this pot is pretty heavy, but it is stainless steel. It's non-stick. You could pretty much cook like you know, a whole chicken, vegetables, or whatever you decided you wanted to cook. So I'm gonna sit this in here. Just so it goes down in there. And then, like I said, later on, I will go through here and figure out if there's anything that looks like, that's either a ham or corned beef or pastrami. Well, let's take a look at it really quick. It says it has over 40 recipes. It has dessert, fish, seafood, meat, poultry, beans, vegetable, and vegetarian dishes, and obviously soup. But that's meat. So let's see. Page 26. Excuse me. Someone made pulled pork. I have made pulled pork in a pressure cooker before, in my electric pressure cooker, and it comes out phenomenal. This one was this recipe is a chipotle pulled pork. So that might be kind of interested. Beef bourguignon. I don't know how if I'm saying that right. That looks like something that's might be like some kind of Korean dish. Chili con carne. I was trying to see whatever was on the front page, what kind of meat that was. It looks like it might be corned beef. I think it might be corned beef, but yep, corned beef and cabbage. There it is. I could kind of tell by looking at it that it was corned beef. Wisconsin is a big, I guess I would say, German, Irish. They celebrate all those different I guess cultures or whatnot. because we have like a lot of festivals. So like around St. Patrick's Day and stuff like that, like corned beef always goes on sale, and people always make corned beef and cabbage. Like, even though I heard that like people in that are from like Ireland and stuff like that, that they really don't eat like corned beef like on St. Patrick's Day or whatnot. But I'll take a look in this recipe book and see if there's something that I really like that's in that book. And let me show you before I I don't want this Unbox Me to be too long. This is the lid that comes on it. In my understanding, it also has like, and I'll take a look at the book because this one is different from my other one to make sure that I know what I'm doing when I use it. That it has a button that you press for the pressure or whatnot. So this is what the lid looks like. And when you put it on or whatever, and you press the button, and then it locks. If you've seen that. And then you push it down. So this unlocks it, and then this is how you lock it. So yeah, I'm very excited about using this pretty soon. So please, if there's something or a meat or something that you would like to see me possibly prepare in this, definitely put it in the comments below, and I will most certainly, I don't know if it'll be the first thing, but I will most certainly try to get to it. I will definitely get to it eventually. So put it in the comments down below, and I will definitely put that on my to-do list. Again, I am still sick, so I'm trying to still get well. But once I do fully recover, I'm trying to put out like more videos. But I do have 2 channels, so I'm doing the best that I can. And I also, work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Unbox Me video. I do have another item that I'm going to show you once it actually comes in as well from my shopping. So hopefully everyone enjoys the rest of your week. It was definitely, I enjoyed bringing this particular item to you. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.